Welcome back, aspiring creators. Today we are diving into the exciting world of website building with Wix. Whether you are an entrepreneur, blogger, or simply someone looking to showcase their passion, this video is your ultimate guide to crafting a stunning website from scratch. Join me as we unlock the power of Wix and bring your online dreams to life. So having said that, let's jump in the video. To get started with Wix, you have to create a free account at Wix. To create the free account, just click this button here, Get Started. You see that to try Wix, no credit card is required. So click Get Started. And now you need to create an account. You can simply create an account by typing your email or just continue with Google or Facebook. After creating the free account, Wix will ask you some questions like how did you discover Wix? Now you can skip these questions by clicking skip here at the right bottom. And now Wix will ask you what kind of website are you creating. In this tutorial we will try to create a portfolio website, so I click portfolio. Click next. In this tab you can name your website. I will name my website My Portfolio. Now we are ready for the next step. We can click here Go to Dashboard to continue and setting up our website in your dashboard. And now Wix is preparing our dashboard. Now to design our website, go here and click Design Site. Wix will open this page and will ask you how would you like to design your website. Do you want to let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template? The first one is an artificial design intelligence created by Wix to create websites for you by just asking you some questions about your website. And the second one is a fully customizable design template. We are going to proceed with the second one and pick a template. Now this is the page of templates Wix offers. There is a various number of templates that Wix offers for us. So you can select one template regarding to our search portfolio. For this tutorial I want to use this template. Before editing it, you can click View button to preview the template. So I click View. And this is how our website would look if we use this template. There is a nice header with logo and menu, social medias, a nice hero section and a footer. You can see other pages here like About, very nice About section, Portfolio to showcase your projects, Albums, and the contact page. I think that this might be a very good template to use for this tutorial, so I will click here, edit this site. Now Wix Editor is loading for us. Now we are in Wix Editor customizing our new website. So let's briefly explain the dashboard. Here on the left side you have some buttons here. The first one is to add elements. The second one is to add sections. The third one is to control pages and menu. The fourth one is completely site design. The fifth one is the place where we add apps. And the sixth one is where we control our business. The second last one are medias. And the last one is content manager. At the top bar there is a menu of options like site, for example. If you hover over site, you have the button here Save, Preview to preview your site, Get feedback, Publish, Release Manager, Site History, etc. In the settings, you can connect domain, get a mailbox, upgrade the plan in Wix, and many other options below. The third one is Dev Mode. If you want to add your own JavaScript code or connect Wix Business or external APIs, you have to turn on Developer Mode and start typing code or connecting APIs. The second last one is to hire a professional for your website, and the last one is just help for Wix. Okay, in the second bar you have here a button where you can switch all the pages of your website, like home, portfolio, about, albums, contact, or store pages, product page, category, card, thank you page, or also portfolio pages like portfolio, collection, project pages, etc. In the second part of this bar, there is a desktop and mobile icon. You can switch to mobile to edit your site for mobile, or go back to desktop. The third part is your domain. The fourth is undo and redo. Next is zoom out, zoom in, some tools of Wix, and search the editor to find tools, elements, apps, and more. Now let's go to make some basic editings. If you want to edit a complete section, hover the section and click quick edit. Here in the right side you can see the content of this header, like paragraph for this logo, CKP. For example, we can change it to my portfolio. You can manage menus here by clicking manage menu and select which pages we want to show in our nav menu. If you want, for example, to hide one page like albums, click here 3 dots and click hide. Now you can see that albums is not showing in nav bar. Okay, let's go back to section by clicking here quick edit. And the third part is social bar. You can see Facebook and Instagram logo here. Click here to set links for these two social medias. You click this button and you can see, for example, for Facebook you can also replace icon, change the title, and also change the link by clicking here, and you can type your Facebook profile link. And you can also control how does it open. For example, when you click on this link, a new tab or new window will open. And now when we click on these icons, it will redirect to our social media profiles. And now you can see the content of this hero section. You can change the section background, the title, and paragraph. Let's go change some text here. Click on title and type "This is my portfolio." And for example, change photography to web design. You can also change the layouts here and use a bunch of free layouts by Wix, but I will stay with this one. And at the last you can edit the footer too. Just click on it and now you can see that you can change the text here on our footer. For example, copyright 2023 powered by me. Now you can see that this is how our homepage looks like. To save the changes, never forget to click publish. Now you can see that our website is published now and is live online. And go to publish and click view site. Now you can see that our website with a new text is published and is online. To edit other pages, go here at page and select the page you want to edit. For example, I want to edit my about page. Now click about. And now I want to change some text here. So I click on this section I want to edit. And now I want to change the title to Professional Web Designer. I won't change this paragraph, and I go next and change this image here. To change image, just click this button here, change. And here you can upload your images. So click upload media. Now I selected an image to upload and is uploaded successfully. To use this image, just click here, choose image. And you can see that the image is successfully updated. Here are some settings also for the image. So click here and you can see that you can add some actions to the image also. Click here to see the action you can add and select what do you want to do when you click the image. If you want the link to open or a pop-up or to be magnified. Here you can set the link you want to attach to the image. And also here you can resize your image. Close here and go back to quick edit. And now let's go to the second section. Click on it and you can see that this is a section that shows the clients. So I will type here our clients. And here you can change all the logos of your clients by just clicking here change and select your images. Don't forget to save the changes, click publish. Now let's go here and add another section. I want to use this section, so I just drag and drop to my website. And now you can see that this section is successfully added to my page. To edit it, just click quick edit. So I want to edit some basic stuff. Like for example, I want to change this address to our location. The phone will change to call us. Email whenever you want. And also connect to our social medias. Click publish. And now our section is completed. Now let's go to pages and click contact page. Now this is the contact page. The thing I want to add at my contact page is a small map here that tells my location. So I go here to add elements, and at the search I type map. Now you can see here full width Google Maps, just Google Maps, or address input. I want to add just a simple Google map, so I click here and find the map I want to use. I want this one as it looks very simple for me, so I just drag and drop, and I want under my contact info. Now you can see that the map is added successfully. To set the locations, just click here manage location, and you can see that you can add multiple location or just one location. I just want to add one location, so I change the address, for example, to New York, and you can see that the address is updated. And I also want to change the title to my portfolio office. Now the map is successfully updated, so I close this and click publish. Now after finishing the contact page, let's go and edit the portfolio. Okay, this is the portfolio structure where we show up our projects. To remove or add new projects, just click here at the project section and click here manage projects. And here you can see all your projects in your website. You can edit, remove, or add new projects. To edit a new project, just hover the project and click edit. You can change the project title, description, basic infos, images, and all the content of this project. So let's go and edit this project. For example, I want to change the title to my portfolio website. I will leave the description as it is. I can change the project type from photography to web design. Click add, and you can see that the project type is updated. Date I want to change, for example, May 2023. You can also add location, date, role, project type, links, and custom information. You can also change the images, but I won't change them for now. Click save. And now you can see that the first project is updated. To remove a project, just click at the three dots and click delete. Confirm the deletion of this project. And now you can see that we have only 5 projects. If we close this and go to my portfolio, you can see only 5 projects in our website. And now I think that we have completed our website. To view our website, just go at publish and click view site. Now you can see that our website is updated. If we visit portfolio, We have only 5 projects and our first project is updated. If we click on it, a new page will open and you can see all the images of our project and also our information. If we go to contact page, you can see the map is inserted here, and also at about you can see the title is updated and the image too, and also the section is added manually. And that's how easy it is to create websites with Wix. Wix, as you see, is a very powerful website building platform. So if you have to create websites quickly, just give it a chance to Wix and use for the projects. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more exciting content. And until next time, keep chasing your dreams and spreading positivity. Stay awesome and I will see you in the next video.